American Customer Service is dedicated to providing superior customer care and technical product support for companies engaged in the North American and European retail markets. ACS began operations in 1995 by providing phone support for ceiling fans sold at the Home Depot. This partnership also led to storage and shipping of parts for warranty fulfillment. As a result of ACS's support, our clients saw an immediate reduction in their return rates. In 2003, ACS expanded its territory into Canada, and in 2014, ACS launched services in Europe. ACS is headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia, and utilizes primary service centers in Atlanta and Los Angeles to support North America. Hanover, Germany serves as ACS's base of operations in Europe. At ACS, we have a three-part mission. First, we quickly solve consumer problems so they can return to enjoying your product. Second, we contribute to the overall success of your company by adding our experience and strengths to complement your existing workforce. And third, we save you money by leveraging our economies of scale and ever-expanding product expertise. Savings can take the form of reduced product defect and store return rates, freeing up human capital for reallocation, and improve SKU retention just for starters. ACS exceeds industry best practices by developing custom tools and processes like our support center software. Developing software in-house to address the entire post-sales support process makes us more versatile than any other call center or third-party logistics provider. That versatility has allowed us to continually meet the needs of over 100 unique clients ranging from small companies to Fortune 500s. Managing your unique needs starts with an ACS account manager. The ACS account manager's role is to incorporate the necessary ingredients for a seamless client-to-consumer relationship. As a result, the ACS account manager becomes the liaison between the manufacturer, retailer, and end user. The account manager's mission is to monitor and to improve product performance throughout its life cycle. Our work begins by collecting information needed for effective account management, including performance measures from you, such as goals and benchmarking. This enables ACS to understand your business and meet your objectives. Customer demographic information so that we can prepare for future callers and develop a game plan to best service callers and make them feel comfortable. All SKU information so that we can begin the hard work of building an extensive knowledge database and training our teams. After collecting information from you, the account manager will organize a product support team at ACS. This team will complete a thorough evaluation of each SKU sample. Product assembly and functional quality are assessed and compared to claims on the packaging. Instruction manuals are reviewed for functional and cultural accuracy. This evaluation enables the team to create a list of potential questions and points of interest customers may contact us about. Product evaluation includes not only the assembly of each sample, but also the total disassembly to identify each component, which could be a replaceable part. These parts are analyzed for expected defect rates based on historical data from similar products. These parts are added into our support center software along with photos and specs. The physical evaluation process is the basis for educating all of the ACS teams. Training sessions enable call center representatives to become experts on each product. Customers calling ACS speak to agents who have built, operated, and assembled the very same product the caller has purchased. Accurate and timely database entry creates a unique file for each model or SKU that increases efficiency in the actionable processes that follow. During the life of your product, your account manager will monitor inventory levels for all of the parts stored in our warehouses. Based on several variables, including historical order data, seasonality, retail sales, and factory lead times, the account manager will alert you when it's time to create and send more parts to ACS. This ensures we do not run out of replacement part stock. Account managers also evaluate product performance through end-user feedback. Information such as defect category, length of ownership, and resolution is collected by our call reps and compiled in Support Center. The output of this combined data provides the clients with empirical quality control input that can inform design changes or manufacturing improvements. By collecting feedback, we help you decrease defect rates and returns while increasing customer satisfaction. While our account managers interface directly with you and manage your relationship with consumers, ACS call center representatives serve as the first point of contact for post-sales support ACS prides herself on friendly and efficient consumer interaction. The experience begins with exclusive toll-free numbers, along with customized greetings to reinforce your branding and allow ACS to provide transparent support for your products. Our call center reps answer calls Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. For added flexibility, our call center also corresponds with consumers using email and chat technology. We are multilingual, with North America supporting English, Spanish, and French, and the call centers in Europe support over 10 major European languages. Calls are handled by our advanced phone system, which automatically routes calls based on a multitude of factors. This specialized routing allows us to connect consumers with product technicians most capable of meeting their needs. Repeat callers can be identified and routed back to the rep they previously spoke to, saving time and frustration. Professional, well-trained representatives are the key ingredient to achieving ACS's high standard for consumer support. All of our support representatives are trained and tested on a routine basis. This intensive training focuses on three main areas: conversation control, product knowledge, and problem solving. Conversation control allows reps to effectively communicate with consumers, quickly identifying reasons for the call. Increased product knowledge permits our reps to act as technicians, diagnosing problems and providing solutions. It's their job to identify solutions that fix the problem and ensure consumer satisfaction. Our continued investment in software and training cultivates a core of highly effective product specialists. For this reason, our reps do not rely on scripts like most call centers. This enables us to tailor the conversation to the consumer and resolve many inquiries after just one call. When a support technician determines that a consumer needs a replacement part, they can quickly check on-hand inventory and incoming inventory to ensure the part can reach the consumer in an acceptable time frame. When a replacement order is placed, the warehouse module for our support center software delivers the order to an appropriate warehouse for fulfillment. ACS warehouses focus on three goals: speed, accuracy, and efficiency. Like the call centers, our warehouse services are customized to match our clients' needs and branding. ACS handles incoming stock, warehousing, and shipping as a transparent logistical support layer to your organization. Our capabilities go beyond warehousing and distributing retail package SKUs because of the high level of detail we use to identify and store small parts. The Support Center software was designed around identifying and tracking tiny unpackaged components like screws. The ability to replace such small components not only saves storage space, but also saves on packaging costs, labor, and most importantly, freight costs. By locating and housing inventory according to usage rates, we maximize operational efficiencies in our warehouse and produce lightning-fast fulfillment times. Our goal is to ship replacement orders received by the call center in less than 24 hours. Inventory items are stored in two different types of locations at ACS: pull locations and backup locations. We keep at least 30 days worth of inventory in pull locations to quickly fill incoming orders for replacement parts. Inventory is housed on shelves or pallets based on the size and the type of location. For example, 30 days of washers are stored on a shelf in the pull location, while the remaining inventory of washers are stored on a pallet in the backup location. Shelves are pull locations for small items. A pull pallet is a pull location for items too large to store on shelves. These pallets are slightly shorter than the average pallet to allow for easy access to parts. They're specially constructed to hold 1 to 5 related SKUs to maximize pallet space and decrease the time it takes to fill multi-line orders. The selection of the SKUs for the pallet like this is based on how often the SKUs are combined on a single customer's order. A backup pallet will usually contain only 1 to 2 SKUs, which remain in the original factory packaging. These pallets are slightly taller than standard pallets and are used to replenish the inventory in pull locations. As soon as the technician in our call center completes an order for the consumer, the packaging slip prints in the warehouse with your company's brand name at the top. A list of the items needed with our product key and the pull location where the inventory is located. After parts are boxed for shipping, we use green packaging material that is biodegradable and often made from recycled materials. This helps us save the environment while creating financial savings we pass along to you. We have relationships with UPS, FedEx, and the U.S. Postal Service that include custom integration with our Support Center software. This enables ACS to process shipments directly with these carriers to ensure accurate shipping charges, weight, and tracking numbers. As this information is added to the Support Center system, it is also available to the call center, the customer, and you, the client, in real time. Our call center representatives are able to quickly update consumers about tracking information, which leads to higher consumer satisfaction. In addition to warranty and replacement part fulfillment, our warehouse provides additional services on an as-need basis. We process retail returns from stores and consumers. We provide product repair, refurbishment, and routine product maintenance. When needed, we also repackage products for fulfillment. We can even support your supply chain by providing dropship fulfillment. This enables you to test new products and markets without having to bloat your internal operations. In addition to providing expert customer service and replacement order fulfillment, ACS's versatile team specializes in other special services and projects such as how-to videos, registration and rebates, recalls, product reworks and retouching, and market surveys. How-to videos produced by ACS provide consumers with easy-to-access tutorials on the setup and troubleshooting of a diverse line of products. These videos act as a frontline buffer for customer service and reduce the number of related support calls while increasing consumer satisfaction. Our team also oversees sales promotion rebate programs. ACS handles all the small details of rebate programs, from product verification to rebate fulfillment and tracking. Real-time status reporting of these programs is included as part of this additional service. When the unexpected occurs, ACS also manages product recalls for our clients. Once recall guidelines are set by the client, ACS's expert team ensures that affected consumers are correctly identified and made whole. This allows clients to return their focus to products moving into the market rather than worrying about the burdens of the recall process. In the event that goods are damaged in transit or storage, ACS can help with the product rework. From retouching to repackaging, our staff helps save time and reduce costly reorders. Since product markets are dictated by consumer demand, it is critical to know what consumers think about your products. ACS captures an enormous amount of consumer data in our call centers, but we're also capable of directing market surveys to collect additional data. ACS can target consumer feedback to the specific areas where you require more research to understand consumer experiences and trends. Market surveys complement and enhance the robust suite of reporting tools available to you as an ACS client. Thanks to our reporting portal, another module of Support Center, you can monitor your product's performance in real time via a website created by ACS. The reporting portal allows you to learn from the data we collect in order to increase product performance and consumer satisfaction. The account dashboard offers a summary of services we have provided over a given time period. Start here to get an overview of calls and shipments. To find out more, simply click on any graph to drill down into the details. Geographic data will tell you exactly where your calls originate and where your parts are shipping to. We rank all models and parts by call count, defect, and question types. This summary data can be used to identify products that require the most support. You can also use the trending data to identify issues that are increasing in frequency. Once you've identified products you want to investigate further, the reporting portal will give you the breakdown of which parts are most often replaced and what defects lead to replacement orders. You can even see if an individual part is used in other products, and if so, if the other products experience similar defects. Like many of our services, the reporting portal can be customized as part of the total solution. In this way, specialized data we collect can give you insights into your products that were not previously possible, delivering quality custom reports about the effectiveness of your products, their use in the market, and the consumers who use them empowers you to adapt to the market and stay ahead of competitors. With expertise in so many services, we strive to create an effortless partnership with you and hope we can become a lasting component to your post-sale support strategy.